This video is all about showing you here extra love. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Nicola, your Jamaican naturalista, hair guru, and just good vibes spreader. I need to widen my horizon and name myself more things. But yeah, I am Nicola, like I said before. Today guys, this video is just like random and everything because I wasn't actually planning to film this because I actually started the process already. So this is my hair. If you could see my previous video, it was curly, or like curled it, but now since my hair has been silk pressed, I washed it and it's like this. It has not gone back to its natural state. It has not gone back to looking 4B/4C. Too kinky right now. Of course, it's much like bigger than it was when it was silk pressed freshly and everything. So we are going to work on that because I kind of want my afro. I kind of want my ear for defy gravity again. You know, I kind of want to see my hair stand up and not fall down too much. Right. So guys, again, if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe. You know, I won't be bothering you too much. You know, my people can tell you we don't really post too often. So you now get annoyed and tired of me unless you want to, and you let me know down below. Alright, so please subscribe and let's just jump into it. What I need to do first before, I didn't say I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing a clay mask on my hair as well as a protein treatment. The protein treatment I only made a tad little bit because really and truly I'm just trying to see what will happen when I put some in my hair. If it will, you know, kind of get back kinky, kind of get a bit thicker and everything. Just want to see, so I didn't make a lot of anything at all. So first I'll be using the Aztec clay to, you know, clay mask my hair. So let me just get my hair wet first and then jump back into it. Hold on there. Hold on. Don't move now. Don't move. Where you go? Don't move. Hold on. Chop. Okay, you guys. So this is what we are using to make today's hair mask. Clay mask rather. Is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Everybody knows this one, I think. If you don't know, it's quite good. I got mine at Fontana for like $1,600. A lot of money. And so my hair is wet now. Well, for the most part because like I said in my previous video, what my hair does, it takes a long while to get wet, but once it gets wet, it's wet for true. Yeah, so most of the water kind of slides off of my hair. Alright, so this is the mask. If you have not seen how I mix my mask or how I've applied it before, since I'll be running through this process, please go ahead and watch one of my previous videos where I tried the clay mask for the first time, and it really like, you know, boosted my curl pattern and everything, which is what we're hoping to achieve today. At least just some semblance of kinky and curliness again. So fingers crossed, prayers up, let's get into it real quick. Alright. Alright y'all, so based on what I'm seeing is that I really underestimated how much clay I need for my hair. So I'm going to mix a little bit more, apply it to my hair, and then you guys will see me once I get it rinsed out because it needs some more. Like, it needs some more. This area has not been touched. I can feel it. So has this side not been touched either, and so I'll apply some more and then I'm going to be leaving it in I'm gonna be leaving it for how long? Let's see. Oh my god. Jesus. How long must I leave this in for now? 15 to 20 minutes. So let's see how that goes, how it looks once I rinse it out, and then get ready to apply the next treatment. So I'm back, everybody. I'm just going to be applying the egg yolk and aloe vera treatment to my hair. So first things first, it's just a tad little bit. I actually put it in this bottle because I also added this coconut and sweet almond oil to the mixture. So what's in this? There is a little bit of castor oil. There is some, like I said, coconut and sweet almond oil from Aunt Jackie's in there as well. The egg yolk, and there is the aloe vera. I also went ahead and added some essence of peppermint. Yes, so it's not really peppermint, it's just there for the smell. To be honest, it's really doing nothing. It's just there for the smell to offset any rawness or whatever else. As well as in my clay mask, I also added some castor oil as well. And off camera, I had mixed quite a bit more and got like every section of my hair. So if you're going to add clay mask to your hair, the way I did it haphazardly and just like all over the place, it's not the way you should do it. You should take your time and, you know, part small sections and apply it along the way. So let's go ahead and put this into my hair right now. So far, what I must say is my hair is dry. I can say that much. I never detangled when I was rinsing out the clay mask because honestly my hair would just break because it's dry right now. Some areas I can see right here, this kind of look like it's coming back curly, just kinky and whatever, while the other areas are like extremely straight. So like the top of my head is reacting better than these sides. I'm not sure what that is about. Even the center to the back as well is reacting that way. So there is hope. There is hope just yet. So the reason why I chose to only use the egg yolk this time, and I actually like just broke the egg and used the shell to separate the yolk from the white, because the egg yolk helps with dryness. It helps with dry hair and everything, and I've always just like inputted the benefits of egg in all of my previous videos. My most watched video is of this mask that I'm using right now, the egg and aloe vera mask. Please go ahead and run that video up some more and then come tell me why it's my most watched video. Because you know, I wondered why is that my most watched video. Yeah, put some on the ends now because it's seeping through my scalp right now. This is coming from inside, you know, seeping through my scalp. This was just for extra neat and just to keep my hair, my scalp moisturized and nice, because my scalp has been dry, like I said before. I told you guys in the video, the silk press video, my scalp was extremely dry. I don't know, I've never had dry scalp like that. Like it was dry and itchy. Like I itch my scalp, I scratch my scalp like every day. So hopefully this will soothe my scalp. The aloe vera in it will be really soothing and nice. Honestly, it's feeling better already, my scalp that is. Please stay tuned till I rinse this out and let's see how it will look. I have to give this like another 20 minutes. Earlier I actually gave my hair a whole half an hour, but this time I will try to keep it, I won't try to keep it anywhere. I'll keep it as long as I feel the need to, but 20 minutes is the least amount of time I'll have this on my scalp, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Okay guys, so this is not the flip side I was mentioning before, alright? So I realized I really could not detangle my hair like it was, and I don't like detangling dry hair, and I don't like leaving my hair out like it is whilst, you know, the thing insulates and everything. So I mixed some of this Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls safflower oil and olive fruit oils. I mixed it with some of the Aunt Jackie's oil I used earlier. I mixed a lot. So this is a lotion. This is a multicultural lotion, and I mixed it with it, and I added it to my hair and detangled and twisted them. So now that it's like this, I am going to cover it again with a plastic wrap and leave it to sit, and so my hair will be nice and soft, and hopefully it also says it helps with curls. So let's see, and it's anti-frizz. So let's see, let's show my hair some extra love today. So this video is all about showing your hair extra love. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower, and for now my hair just has castor oil in there. After all the treatments I did, my hair is much softer now. I can detangle now, much easier. It was easy detangling in the shower as well. I had very little fallout compared to what I'm used to, as well as my hair was pretty shiny once I removed the plastic wrap, you know, from adding the Miss Jessie's safflower oil, olive oil, as well as the Miss Jackie's coconut and almond oil to my hair. That was super nice. It wasn't too oily. Like once I was washing my hair, it wasn't too hard to come out. There wasn't any residue once I was through conditioner and everything. No. So I added some castor oil only, and my hair is air drying right now because of course we are not going to be using any blow dryer because we're not using any heat for right now. So if you guys did a silk press anytime, you know, before, and you want to know how to transition back into having just your natural kinky hair, you can try the steps I did. You can tell your friends if they're going through the same process as well. But just know that it's hair and it goes through different processes, but it's still just hair. And hair grows. Want to do what you need to do, and so you can do what you want to do with it, right? You have it to do what you want to do. So just to be clear, I'm not necessarily like mad that I have to press my hair or anything. No, I enjoyed having a cape. I enjoyed being able to just run my fingers through my hair. I enjoyed just slipping my hair to the back and it just lay there. But no, I wanted one afro. And you know, having something for so long, you're just accustomed to that, and that feels like home for you. And that's really what I just want to go back to my hair until I do something else, which is very soon, hopefully. What I want to do with my hair is a big transition, and so yay. But nonetheless, no stress. We enjoyed having a silk pressed hair. We enjoyed having it straight and nice, but no, we want to get rid of this confusion and we want to go back to what we know. Oh, like I said, it's just hair and it comes and goes, so we're not stressed over it because really and truly, no, stress for why? Where stress I go? Where is that going? We don't need that over here. Alright, so that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch my previous videos and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, stay with me. You know what I'm going to say. Stay with me. You know, tell me what am I going to say. I'm going to say, walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah.